Hello students. So in the last session, I explained one short method to find the rank of a word when the word contains non-repeated letters. That means distinct letters. Now I am going to explain how to find the rank of a word if the word contains repeated letters. Okay, for example, here we have one question. We got this in 25th July 2022 in shift 1. The question is, the letters of the word mannequin are written in all possible orders and arranged in serial order as in English dictionary. Then the serial number of the word mannequin is. Okay, so here the word is mannequin. Okay, students, right? If you observe, in that one letter is repeated twice. What is that? The letter N. Okay, it is repeated twice. Okay, students, right? So same procedure when the word contains non-repeated letters. Here also method is same. First, we have to write the word, and above the word we have to take alphabetical order. Okay, we have to take alphabetical order. Okay, here I taken alphabetical order. Now the rank of the word equal. So what we are doing, in a word we have to circle the letter. In alphabetical order, cancellation. Okay, now here also same. First, now I am circling the letter M in the word and cancel that letter M in alphabetical order. Now before M there are 4 letters into, now here the remaining letters are 6, so 6 factorial. Now in that 6 letters, is there any letter is repeated? That we have to check, including this roundup letter also. Okay, students, now in the 6 letters, N is repeated twice, including this. So that means by 2 factorial we have to write here. Okay, students, understood? I am repeating once again. First I am circling the letter M in the word. So before, and cancel the letter M. Before M 4 letters are there, and here the remaining letters are 6. So 6 factorial. In that 6 letters, is there letter any letter is repeated? That we have to observe, including this. So if you observe, N is repeated twice. That is why 2 factorial. Next, plus A round up, A cancel. Now before A, 0. 0 into anything is 0. Next, plus N round up and N cancel. First N only we have to cancel. Next, now before this, how many letters are there? 3 into, now here remaining letters are 4. So 4 factorial. In that, right, N is repeated twice. Is it right? Because we have to include this also when repeated purpose. So N is repeated twice means 2 factor by 2 factorial. Next, plus K round up and K cancel. Before K there are 2 letters. Into, here the letters are 3. In that no letter is repeated, including the round up letter K. So 3 factorial. Plus I round up and cancel I. Before I only 1 letter is there. Into the remaining letters are 2, so 2 factorial. Plus N round up and cancel N. Before N there is 1 letter. Into, now the remaining letter is 1 only. In that no letter is repeated, including this. So 1 factorial. In the last, round up D and cancel D. So before D there is no letter means this is the last one. So we have to take 0 factorial. Okay, students. So this is the concept. Now we can do the simplification. After simplifying this, we get 1492. Okay, students, whatever the method we apply for the word contains non-repeated letter, same method we can apply for repeated letters also in the given word. Only the thing is, how many times the letter is repeated, that we have to write in the denominator. Okay, students, thank you for watching.